Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn standard English, punctuation together, step by step. To link two complete sentences on the SAT, you have two main tools. Use a comma plus a fanboy's word, like so or but. Or use a semicolon all by itself, with no joining word. Both are correct here. What you can never do is join two full sentences with just a comma. The test calls that a comma splice. A colon must follow a complete sentence, and then introduce a list or explanation. Notice, Sarah packed one thing, stands alone before the colon. For apostrophes, remember two jobs: showing possession, like the dog's leash, or forming a contraction. Careful with it's and it's. With an apostrophe always means it is. The SAT tests that pair constantly. Look at the wrong version. Two complete sentences taped together with only a comma. That's a splice, and it's a top SAT error. Fix it two ways. Swap the comma for a semicolon, or keep the comma but add a joining word like and. Either is correct. When you see two full ideas, a lone comma is never enough. Dashes can frame extra information dropped into a sentence, just like a pair of commas would. The key is to match them. If you open with a dash, you must close with a dash. The wrong version opens with a dash but closes with a comma, so the marks don't pair up. On the SAT, keep your enclosing punctuation consistent on both sides. Here's your punctuation checklist. 1. To join two complete sentences, use a semicolon or a comma with a fanboy's word, never a lone comma. 2. Put a colon only after a full sentence. 3. Use apostrophes for possession or contractions. 4. When setting off extra info, pair your marks on both sides. Master these, and the punctuation questions feel easy. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.